Welcome to our video on the nature in Spanos Park West. These shots were recorded on the golf course, the reserve at Spanos Park. These shots were recorded on our bike rides and walks through this neighborhood of Spanos Park. We've all noticed the yellow butterflies that have been hanging around lately. We had pelicans for the first time this year in the slough. Lunchtime for two river otters. And this was lunchtime for a seal. Three turtles sunbathing. This is a coyote that was in the field that's just south of Pixley Slough. Hope you enjoyed this video of the nature of Spanos Park West. If you want to see a full version of the sights of Spanos Park West, check it out on our website, Bob Peralta Properties /Spanos Park West.